morning! Pupunta kami sa Chichen Itza ngayong umaga.
Chichen Itza and Two Seals. Tenemos la de Tulum Cova 4x1, Chichen Itza clásico, Chichen Itza y 2 cenotes. Entonces, ¿qué vamos a hacer? What we gonna do? Cuando estacionemos el autobús, when we park in the bus, you will make a check-in. Vas a ir a hacer un registro. Haznos un gran favor, do us a big favor. Right now, check very well all your personal belongings. Desde ahora checa bien todas tus pertenencias. You don't forget anything. No olvides nada, ¿ok? Si trajiste contenedores con comida o con bebida, te pedimos que bajes la basura contigo. Abajo vas a encontrar los botes de basura donde la vas a poder depositar. Deja el autobús tan limpio como lo encontraste esta mañana, por favor. So, if you bring some container with liquids or drinks, please bring that container with you.
Attention, the Maya is carrying the stone. Can you see that? For Mayan people, señores, this is the time. In the civil calendar, we have 18 months. Each month, 20 days. How many days we have? 360, plus 1 month of 5 days. Those are 5 unlucky days for Mayan people. From August 6 to August 10, 5 unlucky days. For one reason. In those 5 days, the Mayas, they cannot see the planet Venus, because the moon was between the Earth and Venus, and that was unlucky for Mayan people. So we have 360 plus 5. How many days we have? 365 days, right? At the civil calendar. And the last one, the most important for Mayan
sa Mayan Temple sa Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza. So finally nakita ko ng actual talaga yung Mayan Temple dito sa Chichen Itza.
Divided by three planes: the place of the gods, the place of the living, and the place of the dead. Supraworld, world, and underworld. Let me explain about to the universe of the Mayan civilization. Look that tree. That tree has the representation from the universe of the Mayan population. Look at the branches. Branches is divided by certain branches and certain leaves. This part is the place of the living. And here on Mayan language, Chen. Listen, it's Chichen Itza. Chin, mouth, and hole or natural well. It has the meaning of a wizard, sorcerer, magician, or wise. And the last word, ha, means water. So my friends, please don't forget this one because you're gonna make a question. I'm gonna make an exam. You're gonna answer like at the movie from the movie, you're gonna do a one human sacrifice. That's what you think. At the mouth of the well of the water source. That is the meaning of that place. The reason number one is at the mouth of the well faster, but on 4 times. You ready? 1, 2, 3. So that's the difference between staircase at the front of the platform. Right, divided by 3 planes: the place of the gods, the place of the living, and the place of the dead. Supraworld, world, and underworld. Let me explain about to the universe of the Mayan civilization. Look at that tree. That tree has the representation from the universe of the Mayan population. Look at the branches. Branches is divided by certain branches and certain leaves. This part is the place of the living, and here divided by 3 planes: the place of the gods, the place of the living, and the place of the dead. Supraworld, world, and underworld. Let me explain about to the universe of the Mayan civilization. Look at that tree. That tree has the representation from the universe of the Mayan population. Look at the branches and the roots. Branches is divided by certain branches and certain leaves. This part is the place of the living, and here.
Saka sa likod na. Doon. Yan sa temple doon yan. Dalawa kayo nakarating ng Mayan Temple to dalawa. Siyempre kasama ako.
Okay. So that is the sound of the card. As this feels like Pok-Tapok, the game fits in and the player fits in. Okay. So your friends can look right.
Ito ang medyo sa tagal nasira na side. Ito na yung dalawa magkapatid na napagod. So nandito kami sa templo ng Kukulkan or Mayan na temple sa Yucatan na province ng Mexico. So nakapag days or 4 days, balik kami bukas sa US. So at least ito ang nakita namin, one of the second wonder of the world. Dahil yung tao. Makita at least once in a lifetime. Kung gusto nyo makita ang movie na kasama ang site na ito, ay panoorin nyo kay Mel Gibson na Apocalypto at ang tawag. So makikita niyo ang mga